Hey guys, we're here with the 24 SuperDuty with the stock OEM LED fog lights, and we have the upgraded by BMC fog light kit for the 23-24 Fords. We're going to show you real quick an in-depth install going from the stock look here to the upgraded look here. We'll take you on a little journey, show you the ins and outs, and we'll do a little bit of comparison right after. Check it out. Alright, starting on the 23, we're going to go to the side here. Right now we're working on the passenger side. You're going to remove this bolt here, and these two bolts over here. So that's going to be a total of 4 bolts taking out this bumper bracket. And then right behind that, you're going to have the fog light, which will show you momentarily. So let's go ahead and grab our wrench. Take these off. Now that that bracket's out of the way, we've got the fog light. So it's this bolt, and then the bolts up here. Or are they? Sorry, they're up here and up there. Those 4 bolts will take that fog light out. Alright, so once you take those 4 bolts out, you can go and pull the fog light assembly. It's going to be held on by a harness, which we can disconnect. And then from there, we can pop this bezel up. It's a little tight. Pops out just like that. So keep this handy. We're going to reuse these tabs here on your BMC kit. Light and run it into the back side here. Down underneath. And that also acts as a splash shield. Now you don't have to worry about any water coming up in here. Alright, once you got your lights in here mounted up, I went ahead and loosened this guy just because I like to be able to move it and aim it. We'll go back down and tighten that on the bottom. This one's pretty fixed. It's about where it should be, so we're not going to worry about it. And we went ahead and ran the harness, the main harness at least, to the batteries. The little small SAE guys here are going to take place of the fog lights. So we're going to use the small jumper harness that's included in the BMC kit to go to your factory fog light plug. So these will be your new fog lights. This is going to be operated by an Upfitter switch, and we'll show you how that works. In the meantime, let's go ahead and pop this piece of jewelry on here. And that gives you an idea, once we aim this one here, of what you're going to look like. So we just got our driver's side kit in. Got it bolted down. And you can see that back plate acts as a nice splash shield. We're dragging over the power connector for the SAE, or from the non-SAE light here, this guy. And we're going to plug this guy here into this adapter, which is going to go to the factory fog light harness. So what you're going to want to do is find your color trace. Your color trace is going to be your positive. You're going to line that up to this guy here on the red side, color to color, black to black, And we're going to go ahead and couple these. Plug it in. Make sure that pops. And then this guy here is going to go to this light. And plug into this harness. Just like that. Alright, there's Braxton making the connection for the other fog light. And that's tied across to the other side, to the passenger side. And then we're going to go up. And we're going to tie that into the auxiliary switches, which we're going to show you right now. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take the harness that came with the 2 inner fog lights, and we're going to run that up to the upfitter switches. So if you're not familiar with the upfitter switches, they are going to be on a 23 and a 24. Behind this battery, you're going to have this fuse block sitting down here. There's 2 release tabs on the side here. You can push those in, pull this up, and underneath it, you'll have this bundle of wires. It's going to be most likely in a hod all taped up. You're going to have to untape them, and then from there you're able to take a look at the diagram here and see which one does what. So we're going to hook these up to switch number 1, and if you look here, it's going to be brown with a green trace is relay 1. So we're going to find that in here, brown, green trace. It's right here. That's our switch 1 wire. So let me hook that up and I'll show you how it works. So here we are, got them both installed. Baja Designs, BMC 2324 fog light kit. Right here, rigid BMC 2324 fog light kit. What do you think? This is probably one of the best looking fog light kits. Looks OEM, fit, finish, and feel. Definitely check out bmclights.com. Special thank you to Brian over at BMC Lights for taking care of us on these fog light kits. Highly recommended, great customer service. Definitely a great company to work with.